Let's talk about the job market because the data we're seeing right now is a huge red flag. It's pointing towards serious recessionary pressure by 2027, with the first tremors likely hitting by the end of 2026. Employment is the heartbeat. When people are working, they spend, they borrow, they buy homes, and the whole system works. No jobs? Big trouble. Let's look at the trend. Since 2022, monthly job creation in the US has been in a nosedive. Now, 2022 was an outlier, with all the post-COVID stimulus and e-commerce boom creating an artificial job surge. A cool down to 300,000 new jobs a month would have been normal, but we're way below that. October's numbers were just revised down to 173,000, and some sectors are actually shrinking. We're now in January 2026, and it feels like we're staring at a ticking time bomb. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate is climbing, hitting 4.4% in December. And honestly, many analysts think the real numbers are even worse, suggesting jobs were overreported last year to avoid pressure for interest rate cuts. And what about your paycheck? Average earnings growth is down to 3.8%. Your real income is shrinking. Just ask anyone trying to make ends meet in a Western economy right now. With the next Fed rate decision coming up, the chance of a rate cut is almost zero. But here's the real kicker. A report from Challenger, Gray, and Christmas showed that employers announced over 1.2 million job cuts in 2025. That's a 58% jump from 2024. These layoffs are happening everywhere: the US, Canada, the UK, Australia. Fresh grads with massive student loans can't find work. Let's look at where the cuts are happening. Government layoffs are up 700%. The tech sector, despite the AI hype, shed 150,000 jobs. Warehousing saw a 317% surge in layoffs, with over 95,000 jobs lost as robots take over. AI is eating jobs. Companies like Nvidia and Microsoft are making record profits, but are they hiring? Nope. We're seeing degrowth. So where do all these jobless people go? The answer, unfortunately, is into a recession. Think about someone who just got laid off. They have credit card debt, a mortgage, family expenses. There's no safety net for someone whose job was replaced by AI. They just sink deeper into debt until the system crashes. And the markets? They're pumping. The S&P, Nasdaq, gold, Bitcoin all going up. Why? Because the Fed is secretly injecting about $40 billion a week in liquidity. It's quantitative easing by another name. This inflates everything, setting us up for a huge melt-up now, followed by a major crash in late 2026 or early 2027. The signs are crystal clear. Job creation is slowing, layoffs are surging, incomes are shrinking, and debt is rising. A storm is brewing. Stay sharp, stay informed, and prepare. Thanks for watching.